Welcome guys, we are to round 2 by the way. We've been with Mbogo Creative, he's amazing. Go through his content manze, utafurahia. And next one tuko na Jess Rita. She's a dancer by the way pale hivyo TikTok. I wanted to be a dancer but anatuelezea how she managed she turned dancing into sijui tuseme into career and some of the challenges that she is going through that nobody sees. Hi Jesri.
Hi.
Kofiti.
Niko poa.
You look good.
Thank you.
Nimeko miss by the way. I'm serious. By the way, I was to host you was it last Sunday?
Yeah.
You are not available. Tunaona tu umeenda ma airport. Umeenda majuu. Si pia si unatuita manze tu. We go together. Mimi nafikanga hapa Githurai. Lakini ukiniita next time, I will show up by the way.
Okay.
So, but thanks for coming today.
Thank you.
We have some questions for you. The craziest place you've ever danced?
Huh?
The craziest place you've ever danced?
Craziest?
Huh?
Maybe Tao.
Au kuwa unaogopa?
Kuna watu wengi. Nilikuwa naogopa.
Then?
But lazima tu ningejaza courage nataka kudance.
When did you first realize that I'm a dancer, I can do this?
Nikiwa mtoto nilirealize sasa like mimi na dance, naona tu na dance.
Okay. Then
like nimekuwa tu nikidance then kufika like form 3 hapo ndio sasa nikasema maybe I should show the world I know how to dance.
And who inspired you to dancing?
My elder sister.
Alikuanga dancer pia?
Alikuanga dancer. My father is a dancer. But yeah, yuko TikTok.
Okay, the first dance you ever did before people, how was it?
It was nice because my first dance yenye nilifanya kwa watu, nilifanya shule kwanza. Like high school mbele ya kila mtu, teachers wako hapo, students. But ilikuwa tu poa juu.
Okay, and why dance and not other things, maybe content creation, maybe just other things, and mbona si hizo and you just decided to do the dancing?
Because dancing ni kama passion kwangu. Like it's inside me. So content yes naweza fanya but si sana. Dancing ndio like inakuja tu automatically na dance.
Do you make money as a dancer?
I do but not all the time.
How do you make money?
Like maybe ni approachiwe na kama musician fulani aseme anataka ni dance kwa ngoma yake ama niitwe like kudance kwa event. So that's how we make money.
And what is the hardest part of being a dancer that maybe people don't see? They just see you dancing but there is that part they don't know.
The hardest part of being a dancer. So maybe time yenye una dance tu na energy yako then una post videos hata visongi. Like visongi.
And how do you deal with that?
Sasa mimi okay, nimei post video usiku. Asubuhi napata iko na 3 likes. Mimi nilihide.
Unahide utaki watu waione.
Mimi
sasa na like moja ilikuwa yako.
Like haikuwa yangu.
3 tu za watu wengine.
3 za watu wengine but mimi
si unge delete to repost.
Like hiyo video nilikuwa nimeipost mara ya pili ikiwa ina behave the same. so nikaachana nayo.
So in short, when your video doesn't blow up,
I hide it.
you hide it from people.
Yeah.
Wow. And how do you stay creative so that you don't repeat the same moves in the next dance?
Like you just come up with new moves. Yeah. Now, yes, kuna time yenye utapata come up na new move, but mtu ataona ni kama same move.
And what is your training routine like?
My training routine, mimi naendanga dance classes, niko kwa nyumba na dance. Like napata tu hata nikiwatch baby dance ini nice, napata tu nishaanza kutrain like kama routine tu.
Guys, it's a routine. She's a dancer. Yani anajipatanga tu ana dance kila time. So, if you've been looking forward to interact with a dancer, to marry a dancer, here she is. Ni DM hapo hivyo nitaku. Lakini msini DM by the way. He's a dancer. If you've been looking forward for maybe doing collab kitu kama hiyo, you can DM her. At the end of the interview, atawaambia handles zenye mtampata. Now, someone starting a dance with zero training, what advice can you tell them?
Like naweza waambia wakuwe tu motivated, like watajua the more you dance, the more unapata like experience. Unajua like yes, kuna wenye hawajui kudance, but unaweza kuwa na hiyo passion, so ukianza kudance, ukianza kutrain, utajua tu like you'll be perfect.
And what is the biggest mistakes that maybe new dancers wanna make before the camera?
Mistakes, mi naweza sema maybe kuwa hawako confident enough to face that camera.
So they should be confident. Wakikaa tu kamera shanza ma.
Like una dance, una show the moves, like unajua ilikuwa na hiyo confidence hata kama hujui ku dance, but moves zitajitoa.
And how do you deal with people? Unajua there are some people who criticize what you are doing. How do you deal with people who say that dance si kazi?
Mimi unyamaza juu I had friends wenye walikuwa nasema like sasa una dance alafu. Mimi unajua na nyamaza tu, but niko kwa akili nasema one day dance itanisaidia nipatane na many people, like new experiences, you know.
The worst song you dance but you killed it. Ilikuwa worse but uli dance then you feel like, yo, I killed this one.
Sijui kama niko na any worse.
Hakuna? So the good song that uli dance ukafeel and I nailed this one.
Naweza sema song ya brother yangu inaitwa Mtukutu.
Brother yako ni msanii?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hiyo nilidance, nikasikia like unajua I created the dance myself. Nikaidance, nikasikia yenyewe. Okay. It's nice.
So guys, hii familia ni ya wasanii. So if you have an event, book them. Brother yake ni msanii. The parents are dancers. Everyone hapo kwa hiyo familia, kila mtu ako na role kwa usanii. So you can book the whole family for the event, any event that you have. Okay, when you do dancing, Jesrit, which shoes do you prefer, heels or sneakers?
Sasa sijui viatu zangu nitaziita aje, but lazima zikuwe high kidogo, si heels, but kama hizi tu zenye niko nazo lazima zikuwe high.
Ekelea.
Kama hizi sasa. I prefer the shoes.
Ziko juu.
Yaani viatu zangu tu zote lazima zikuwe high kidogo.
Maybe the dance trend in 2026, you are tired of seeing. Ukiingia tu hivi online uone hii dance trend unasikia tu hii pana. I don't like this one.
That one.
Which one?
Yeah,
You personally, have you ever did that
no,
challenge?
I didn't do like mimi. No, I didn't do that.
Mbona?
Haikunibamba. Okay, it's a trending nini na inabamba kila mtu, but mimi sijui, I don't do hizo the type of music. Sijui like hazikwangi ndani yangu, so hata sikufanya.
Okay, which type of music do you do?
Compa music, like Lingala, ama piano na Afrobeat.
Hey, by the way, nilikuwa hiyo nitakwambia baadaye. Let us not say it before the camera. From the song that you've mentioned, maybe ama gani yani ndio wewe ukifanya una feel like I need to repeat this one, yani una feel ni kama I need to do it several times?
Compa, like unajua hizo beats za compa like nasikianga zinaniingia. So hata nikifunga tu macho hivi ni dance, like nasikianga tu ku repeat the dance.
Okay, for now we only know that you are a dancer. If I may ask, are you teaching dance or maybe are you looking forward to start a dancing school ama kitu kama hiyo?
Nimefikiria ku start a dancing school, but sahi like I'm not that ready. But niko na kazi ya kufunza watoto dance.
Watoto? Na watu wakubwa?
Watu wakubwa. Like maybe tukua dance class ndio naweza funza watu wakubwa like ya shule.
One message to a girl who thinks she's so shy to start to start dancing.
Confidence, like just be confident in yourself.
Okay, confidence.
Yeah.
Where are you looking forward to perform?
In American's Got Talent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In American's Got Talent.
Yeah.
As we wind up, maybe your last words to the dancers.
Keep doing what you do, be confident and believe that dance itakupeleka mahali. Yeah.
So guys, she's been Jesrit Rita. Siwapatie handles zako pale.
Rita Jesrit, on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Yeah.
So guys, go follow her if you have an event. Umesikia kwanza familia kila mtu ni msanii.
Yeah, and my brother anaitwa Kelvinoik. Kelvinoik, hello. My dad. Yeah. My big sis. Yeah. And my friends.
How peke? Okay, guys. The whole family wako kwa usanii. You can book the whole family kwa event. Book the whole family if you have an event. They will show up. In the meantime, thanks for catching up with this one by the way. Make sure you subscribe, comment and like this episode. Tumekuwa na Mbogo Creative. Now we've just ended up with Jesrit Rita. As you catch up with these episodes, remember to support manze. See you next week with other guests. Same place, same time. At the same? Oh, same sick man. I've been your... Not same sick man. But I've been your host, sick man. Nili notice isemangi jina. I've been your host, sick man. Bye bye.